If you're still doing everything manually, you're wasting hours every single week. These 7 AI tools can help you work faster, save time, and get more done without feeling overwhelmed. Most people only use 1 or 2 of these properly, but once you understand how to use them together, everything becomes easier. First is ChatGPT. Most people use it like a simple chatbot, but that's the wrong way. The real power comes from using it for full workflows. You can summarize documents, generate ideas, write emails, analyze files, and even create images in one place. For example, you can take messy notes, turn them into a clean summary, and then convert that into a report or email in seconds. That alone can save you hours every week. Next is Notion AI. This is perfect if your work involves notes, tasks, or projects. Notion helps you organize everything in one place, and its AI can clean up messy notes, generate summaries, and help you find information faster. If you deal with meeting notes, action items, or project updates, this tool can make your workflow much smoother. Then there's Canva Magic Studio. Most people think Canva is just for design, but it's much more than that now. You can use it to create visuals, generate content, write captions, and build presentations quickly. Instead of starting from scratch, you can go from idea to finished design in minutes, even if you have no design experience. Another great tool is Grammarly. This is not just for fixing grammar anymore. It helps you rewrite sentences, improve clarity, and adjust tone depending on what you're writing. If you write emails, reports, or messages every day, Grammarly can help you write faster and make your content look more professional with less effort. Then we have Perplexity. This is one of the fastest ways to do research. Instead of opening multiple tabs and searching manually, it gives you direct answers with sources. This makes it much easier to understand topics quickly and find reliable information without wasting time. Another one most people ignore is Notion AI Custom Skills. If you repeat the same task again and again, you can turn them into reusable commands. This saves time and makes your workflow more consistent, especially when your workload increases. And finally, the last one is not just a tool, it's a system. When you combine ChatGPT features like writing, research, file analysis, and image generation, you create a powerful workflow. The people getting the most value from AI are not using it once. They are using it as part of a system. If you want to save time this week, don't try to learn everything at once. Start with 2 or 3 of these tools and use them properly. The goal is simple. Work smarter, not harder. If you found this useful, there are more tools like this coming. Stay consistent and start using at least one of these today.